Ever wondered how websites are available 24/7 no matter where you are in the world? The secret lies in web hosting, the invisible foundation of the internet. In this video, I'll dive into what web hosting is and the most popular types of web hosting out there. Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting your platform deserves. Whether you're looking to launch your own website or simply curious about how the internet works, this video is your ultimate guide to understanding web hosting. Let's get started. Imagine you want to open up a store to sell your handmade goods. To do this, you need a physical space where your store can be set up and where people can visit to browse and buy your crafts. You will need to rent a piece of land in a prime location where you can build your store, decorate it to your liking, and open it to the public. Web hosting operates on a similar principle, but instead of physical items, you're dealing with digital content, and instead of land, you're renting space on a server, which is a powerful computer that stores and serves your website's content. Just like the land you rent for your store, the server space you rent for your website determines how much content you can display and how fast your customers can browse your crafts and how many customers can visit your store at the same time without it feeling too crowded or slowing down. Your website hosting provider is like the landlord of your digital store's location, ensuring that your site is accessible to visitors 24/7, providing security to keep your content safe, and offering tools to help you manage and grow your online presence. Much like a good landlord, make sure that your land is well maintained, secure, and set up for your business to thrive. In essence, web hosting provides the infrastructure and resources necessary to make websites accessible over the internet. This includes not just the servers, but also software, support, and connectivity to ensure that websites are available to users around the clock. Different types of web hosting services attend to different needs, from simple shared hosting to dedicated hosting. Now let's get into the most popular hosting services out there. First one, shared hosting. Shared hosting is a type of web hosting service where multiple websites live on a single web server, sharing its resources like disk space, data transfer, and processing power. This is the most cost-effective hosting option because the cost of server maintenance is divided among many customers. Shared hosting is ideal for small to medium-sized websites, personal blogs, and businesses with low to moderate web traffic because it provides a basic level of resources and features that meet their needs without the expense of a dedicated server. Next, VPS. VPS hosting, or Virtual Private Server Hosting, is a type of web hosting that provides users with a virtualized server environment. It's a middle ground between shared hosting and dedicated hosting. Each virtual server operates independently from the others, providing users with private resources such as CPU, RAM, and disk space that are not shared with other users. It is recommended for more advanced users. If you need to install specific packages or software that is not provided by shared hosting, this hosting service is best for you. It also provides root or admin access to its own operating system installation in a virtualized environment. It provides more control and customization options than shared hosting. VPS hosting is an excellent choice for website owners who have outgrown shared hosting but are not yet ready to move to a dedicated server, either because of cost or the level of resource requirement. Dedicated hosting. Dedicated hosting is a type of web hosting in which a client leases an entire server that is not shared with anyone else. The exclusive use of a server provides the client with full control over the server's resources, including hardware and software configurations. Dedicated hosting offers the highest level of resource allocation, privacy, and control, making it ideal for websites with high traffic volumes, complex applications, and specific security requirements. This hosting option is best suited for large businesses, e-commerce sites, and high-traffic websites that require advanced control, superior performance, and heightened security. Dedicated hosting comes at a highest cost compared to shared or VPS hosting, but the benefits of having a private server can significantly outweigh the expenses for those with the necessary budget and technical expertise. Cloud hosting is a modern web hosting solution that stores your website on multiple virtual servers in the cloud, rather than on a single physical server. This setup allows for a high degree of flexibility, scalability, and reliability. The core idea behind cloud hosting is that it uses the resources of several clustered servers to host a group of websites. This means that your website can use the computing power of many servers, which can be scaled up or down depending on demand. This is especially beneficial during traffic spikes or growth phases, as resources can be adjusted to accommodate the increased need without any downtime. This type of hosting is suitable for businesses and websites that anticipate fluctuating traffic, seek high performance and uptime, and desire the flexibility to scale resources up or down as needed. For WordPress site owners seeking unparalleled cloud hosting performance, Rapyd Cloud stands out as the premier choice, renowned for its speed and reliability. Created for high-demand websites like online communities, e-commerce platforms, membership sites, and e-learning systems, Rapyd Cloud delivers exceptional speed and security designed to handle enterprise-level scale and traffic effortlessly. It has powerful built-in WordPress tools, so you can manage updates, plugins, themes, and sites right from your Rapyd dashboard. We have a dedicated support team that is available 24/7 for assistance. And we offer proactive security features like DDoS protection and malware scanning, making sure your site remains safe and secure. So if you're a WordPress site owner in search of top-tier cloud hosting, your search ends with Rapyd Cloud. Don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. Click the link in the description and get started today. And that's it for today. I hope you have a better understanding of web hosting in general, and if you're looking to start a new website or blog, I hope that now you know which hosting option is right for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more techie content like this.